Hello guys, hello YouTube. Today we're going to do a very quick unboxing. I'm very excited about the product. It is shiftcam grip for the phone. It's a new product on the market, not many people having it, lots of people waiting for this product to come to the market. So finally today, after 2 weeks of waiting, which I think is pretty reasonable, I got the parcel from Hong Kong. Let's find out what is inside. Hopefully it's not a brick or anything dodgy. However, I had very good experience with shiftcam before, so I'm hoping that the product is as good as they describe. So let's find out right from the box. Alright. Typically for shiftcam, the product comes very well packed, and also you always get the feeling that quality of product is very good. As you can see, it's pleasant pack. So let's see what's going on inside the box. We've got sort of introduction to the product. I'm going to have a look later on, so how to set up the product and so on. So we're going to have a look later on. Yay! We've got the product itself. The package of those products remind me a little bit Apple products, which is pretty good, pretty encouraging. We've got product itself, we've got USB cable, Type-C I presume, and something else which we're going to have a look at. Let's find out what is in there. I already like it, I have to say. We've got pretty fancy case, which again, it's typical for the shiftcam products. They are well packed, they're quite presentable. So inside this cool wallet, we've got the product itself, which is our phone grip. I like it a lot. I like it a lot already. You've got a feeling that you've got good quality of product in your hand. It feels like a real camera. Of course, people won't disagree, but seriously, it feels really good. You can fit your phone, I presume, over there, and then we've got charging pad over here. So far so good. I got the start kit, which basically we've got a strap to hold the grip. We should have a cold shoe adapter over here, and also we can connect the grip to the tripod, to the stand. Right, okay guys, so that's it for now. I'm going to take my grip with me for the trip to Norway, and basically I'm going to test it. So in a few weeks time I should have more complex review about the product itself. In the meantime, take care. See you later.
Hello YouTube, how's it going? Today we're going to talk about the new product from shiftcam, the company who produced the different gadgets for mobile phone, for phone photography and videography. I had this product a few days now. I was quite excited about getting it. I was a bit concerned about time frame. Lots of people were quite skeptical about how long it was taken for the company to produce and deliver a product to the market. However, since I made the purchase online, it took just 2 weeks, and after that I got my product, and I'm quite happy. The parcel came from Hong Kong and had excellent tracking. You can track the progress on your computer screen. It shows you exactly where the parcel is, and they are extremely precise with the delivery time, which really impressed me. Anyhow, coming to the grip itself. So as you can see, it's made from plastic and sort of rubber material. It's quite bulky, but I think that was the whole point, to sort of give you a feeling that you're holding in your hand the DSLR camera. One thing though here, remember, this grip will not change your mobile phone into the DSLR camera, because it's not possible. DSLR is about lenses, is about camera bodies, about sensors and so on. Basically, using this grip, you will have a phone with a grip, not DSLR camera. So if somebody wants that, that's fine. But if somebody is hoping to get this grip and get the magic transformation of the phone is not going to happen. It's just a gadget, and we have to address that. So it's quite solidly done. As you can see, it's a solid material. It's not very pretty. It's not Apple quality, which is not surprising because, again, it comes with the price. It's not very expensive. You can check on the website. The grip can be used also as a holder and as a stand, which this is something which I really like, because you can put your phone on the stand, and also the grip having battery pack built in, so therefore your phone will be wirelessly charging while you have it on a stand. So you can have it on a vertical stand or horizontal stand. For the demonstration, I'm using my iPhone 11 Pro. So this is not a very big phone, therefore the grip itself here is, my feeling is, it doesn't feel the phone properly. So when I use just the clear regular iPhone cover, when you put it in, it doesn't hold very well. So for the smaller phone, the manufacturer is suggesting to use the two small rubber elements, which is fine. The only problem is that when you place them in there, I don't feel like my phone is very secure. So it doesn't have this leap, doesn't have this sort of grip to the phone, which makes me a little bit unsure if I want to use them. So instead of using those rubber elements, I just simply use for my phone another cover. This actually cover also came from the shiftcam. It's an old model. The shiftcam already issue another cover, which I'm going to purchase later on. So the cover is slightly thicker than regular one, so therefore when you put it in a hold, in a grip, it does the job, and it feels pretty much secure, fairly safe. And also, additional benefit of this particularly phone cover is that you can mount additional elements, like external lenses here. I purchased some time ago the extra lenses. They also came from the shiftcam. There are two lenses here. One is the 60mm one for the portrait, and second one is the macro lens, which really takes awesome pictures. So it's very easy to use it in this combo. So basically all what you need to do is just to slide in your lens and then to mount your phone to the grip. And in this setup is pretty good. It's pretty solid. You've got the feeling that you hold the proper camera in your hand, and also it's very useful to use the Bluetooth shutter release button, and therefore taking picture, it's easy, pleasurable, and reminds all time where we used to use the regular cameras. As you can see, the lens is very cool, especially if you want to take a picture of the small objects. This whole unit makes me happy. It makes me feel that I've got good equipment in my hand, and also it gives me a feeling of the security, that I'm not going to drop it. Additionally, a shiftcam grip comes with a strip. This is if you bought the starter kit. Again, it's a handy thing to have. Also in a starter pack you can find cold shoe adapter, which can be used for various accessories. You can use it for extra light, you can use it for microphone, and so on. As I mentioned before, when you place your phone into grip, you can use it as a stand, and then you can put the phone in a vertical or horizontal position. So I think it's pretty cool, it's pretty handy, especially when you use your phone for social media, when you use your phone to talk using Skype or any other platform like this. And also big benefit that the phone can charge in the same time. I'm not sure yet if the phone is going to overheat while I'm using it, because it is possible. However, I didn't do the sufficient testing yet. The grip itself is equipped in two buttons. One here is used to connect your phone via Bluetooth, and if you're losing connection, which didn't happen to me yet, you can reset the connection over there. And second one you can use for switching on or switching off your charging your phone here. Underneath you've got a regular attachment to your tripod. You can use it for various things as well. You've got a charging port. On the top of the grip you also have a 1/4-inch cold shoe adapter. You can use it for example, extra light or microphone. On the back of the grip here you've got little tiny holes. When you press the button, that basically tells you if the device is connected via Bluetooth, is it charging. It tells you also the level of the battery. Yeah, it's pretty simple device, but pretty handy in the same time. Now you may ask, and I can only say it because I had it for a few days, I still need to test it a little bit more in the field. You can ask, is it necessary equipment? This is a gadget. Is it necessary? No. Is it cool? I think so. I think so because I like the gadget. So again, that would be probably addressed to the people who like gadgets. So the question is, can you live without it? Yes, of course. You can just take the phone out of the pocket and shoot the pictures. However, if somebody wants to have a little bit more fun, or for somebody who simply just likes the gadgets, this is very cool. This is very cool. It's handy. As I said, it's a bit clunky and it's a bit big, but I think that was the whole point, that you've got impression that you've got like sort of bigger camera in your hand. Would I buy it again? Yes, I would. It's nice thing to have at home. It's not only grip but also stand. Previously, before I ordered the grip from shiftcam, I bought another phone cover with the detachable grip by Polar Pro. Now, it is also cool gadget. And it's worth to have it. It's got attachment for the filters. You can buy them separately. Also, the best feature here is the detachable grip. So if you use this cover as just the phone cover and have it in your pocket, and you somewhere out and you would like to take a picture and to have a bit more secure grip, therefore the best idea is to attach the little handle here. It's very easy to do, and then basically you can shoot the pictures. Also you can attach additional accessories. Those two products are different for different users. As I said, this is just the phone cover with extra attachment, which in certain circumstances can be really helpful and really useful. A shiftcam grip is a little bit more than this. It's the battery pack, so you never run out of the batteries of the charging. It's got additional features and can hold various of different phones. Overall, I would say this is good product and I would recommend to buy it. So yeah, it was just a very quick and honest review of the shiftcam grip. I think it's a good product. I hope, guys, that you found it useful. You know, this is my personal feeling. Somebody may think that this product is rubbish. I value other people's opinion. To me, I was waiting for the product quite a long time. I was watching the progress on social media. I ordered it and I don't regret it. I would buy it again. I would recommend it to friends. So it's up to you how you feel about it. But the product is solid. I'm going to test it during the next few weeks as I'm going for a 2 weeks trip to Norway. So yeah, I'll keep you posting and I'll let you know if I still like it after the trip. In the meantime, take care and speak to you next time. Alright guys, so here we are. I decided to take the camera grip to the back garden just to do a quick test. It feels really good, really steady. I even have attached my extra lenses, so 60mm portrait lens and also my macro lens. With this setup you can take absolutely amazing pictures. especially macro lens. I'm really impressed with. You can take the pictures of little creatures or any other little objects. So for that purpose, it's awesome. The setup is a bit heavy-ish, but again, this is the whole point, that you've got impression, you've got like a SLR camera in your hand. You can take the video, you can take the pictures, you won't be disappointed. The device seems performing pretty well. Overall, I would say I'm happy with it. So I recommend to buy it, but again, you can only decide it for yourself if this is something you want to do, you want to have in your mobile phone accessories. In the meantime, thank you very much for watching. I hope it was helpful, so I'll see you next time during the next review. Take care.